Okay, so the following table shows the number of correctly answered questions of group of 60 students in a quiz. So we have our frequency down then is about 60, well, 60 students in a quiz. So here is the following question. The quiz consists of 30 questions. 33 students in the group correctly answer at least half of the questions in the quiz. Now, the first question is, how many students in the group answer all questions correctly then? Now, to write it out here, let's go try to understand then. Okay, so we have less than 5, less than, okay. So looking out here, the quiz consists of 30 questions and the table ends in less than 30, so which accounts for 60 students. However, the problem states that there are 60 students in total. So since the cumulative frequency for the for less than 30 is already 60, that means all students score somewhere between 0 to 29. So therefore, we can find that A, or therefore we can say that then for A is that 30 or 0 to then answered or answered oh yeah answered all questions correctly. Okay, now for the second question states that if a student is randomly selected from the group, find the probability that the student correctly answered 10 to 19 question exclusive in the quiz then. So let's go try to find it out here. Now, let's look out for the probability of answering 10 to 19 first. So first we have 10 to 19, looking out for the figure 10 to 19, or yeah, 10 to 19, or it says here. Okay, now first we have the total 60. Now let's find out this value of x. Okay, so that's a v. Now let's find out the value of x. Now looking out here, we have the numbers, which is, okay, now looking out here, the numbers we have for the total number of students is 60. And student scores 15 or more, that's 33. So we can find it out then as, so we have total students, that's 60, and the number of students that, okay, for the, that is only for 15 or more. 15 or more down we have here is 33. So that gives us then 60 minus 33 is equals to 27. So we can say that x is equals to 27 then. Now, the second one here is that we need to calculate the number of students in 10 to 19. So since we have 10 for scores of 10 and for the 20, there are 45. Okay, and we add the numbers down here. So that is 10 minus, okay, we can write down here, okay? So for the students we have, so less than 20, there are 45, and we have less than 10 is 10 then in the table that we can show, okay? Now,
Okay.
Yes, and next one we have, that's going to give up about here. We're going to minus as, so 10, it'll be 45 minus 10, that's equals to 35. So we have 35 students. Now, let's go find out the answer for that one then, okay?
Okay.
All right. Now, to find it out here, to find out probability for that, so probability of 10 to 19 is equals to 35 over 60, in which that's going to be 7 of 12. So our answer for the B then is, answer for then here is 7 of 12 or 0.582. Oh, 3. Okay. So that's for the B then. Now for the C here that we have, okay, the C is suppose that we, okay, suppose that another group of students takes a quiz, estimate the probability that randomly selecting students is group correctly answered 15 to 24 questions exclusive in the quiz. Now, let's try to look out here. We have for the numbers, let's see out here. We have the numbers for less than 25, it's 52. Now, for 15, okay, so if for 15, then we have 27 then. Now, let's go trying to minus out for this range then. Okay, so for the C, we have the range is 15 to 24. Now, we just simply minus out their values for the 15 or less than. We have less than 15 is equal to 52. Now, for the other one is for the less less than, oh yeah, no, this one I mix up. Okay, so less than 27 is 52, yeah. Less than 25 is equals to 52. Now, less than 15, which is the x, equals to 27. 27 then. So if we minus out for the range then, so we have 52 minus 27, that is about 25 students then. Now, let's go right out for the probability then. So the probability of 15 to, wait, to 24 is that we have 25 over 60, in which we can solve it out here and simplify that as 5 over 12, or the answer for that one is 5 over 12 or 0.417. Okay, so those are the following answers that we have here